Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Today we got a fascinating topic to explore. The story of a letter that faced extinction in the Ukrainian alphabet, but has recently made a comeback. I'm talking about the letter G. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Guys, me and my team did a research about this letter and we wrote a script. So let's dive into the past, first of all. The letter G has been a part of the Ukrainian alphabet since the 16th century. Can you believe that? Used in Old Slavic language, but during Soviet times there was an attempt to align Ukrainian more closely with Russian, leading to the removal of anything deemed non-conformist. So the letter G was cancelled in the Ukrainian language during the USSR because Russia did everything to destroy everything that is connected to Ukraine, its language, culture, traditions, people, writers, activists, priests, teachers, they were sent to Siberia, to different camps. So that's this true story. And poor letter G, poor letter G had the same troubles. In 1933, as a part of ideological measures, G was officially dropped from the Ukrainian language. As part of a language reform, this attempt to homogenize language continued until Ukraine gained independence. By the way, I have a textbook about the Ukrainian language. It's a Ukrainian language at the second one. It was made in 1917, I guess, so you can see right now the copy of this textbook. And guys, there is no Ukrainian letter G in it. It was written by the Ukrainian linguist, but no, there is no this letter. Wow, amazing, yeah. In 1990, G was returned to the Ukrainian alphabet. However, even today, it hasn't fully integrated into everyday use. But there is a growing movement to bring it back, driven by linguists, writers, and those who appreciate cultural diversity. Today, G is used to represent the back-voiced plosive G, G, in Ukrainian and borrowed words. It is also commonly used in transliterating foreign words, like the Latin letter G. So, in the alphabet, we pronounce it as G. The sound of this letter is just G, G. But what about that transliterating? So when we have the names of like foreign, I don't know, like cities, towns, name of the brands, etc. So we just write it with this Ukrainian letter G when we need to transliterate this letter G. For example, Gucci, Gucci, or Gaga, Gaga, tak, and so on. So you can see these examples here right now on the screen. Let's explore some words featuring G. Even heard of such words: agrus, gava, grunt, ganok, gatunok, gwalt, graty, grzeczny, grężoły, gudzyk, dzyga. Let me read these words one more time for you. Agrus, gawa, grunt, ganok, gatunok, gwalt, graty, grzeczny, grężoły, gudzyk, dzyga. You can ask me, okay, you have letter H and letter G. What's the difference? My dear students, of course I have already recorded a video lesson about it, where I compared 3 challenging Ukrainian letters such as ha, ha, and ga. Please check it out at the link here. So, these words may not be numerous, but they are worth knowing. Yes, and I have to tell you that every year we have more and more words with this letter ge, or linguists, they change a letter he into the ge in some words in the Ukrainian language. So, the resurrection of ge is more than just a linguistic matter. It's a cultural challenge. It's a symbol of resilience. So guys, what are your thoughts on this linguistic journey? Have you encountered ge in Ukrainian words? Please write your thoughts in the comments below. I will check it out. I'm very curious about that. And if you want to learn more about other Ukrainian letters, guys, I would like to recommend you our ABC book. So in 2023, Speak Ukrainian team launched the Ukrainian alphabet book, in which you can practice reading, listening, and even writing the Ukrainian letters. I highly recommend you it because it's just adapted for people who learn Ukrainian language at the second one. Also at our website speaky.com you can find lots of very useful learning materials, textbooks, flashcards, app, courses, individual one-on-one lessons with a professional teacher, but you can first of all have a trial lesson that costs only $1, so please check it out. If you want more lessons from me, guys, check out my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. And if you want to help Ukraine, you can do that through my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Thank you for learning beautiful Ukrainian language. Thank you for supporting Ukraine. Thank you for spreading it across the whole world. I appreciate you to be the part of my mission. Thank you, my patrons. Thank you, all my supporters. And see you soon. Слава Україні!